Hi there, Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you the flashlight on your iPhone, how to activate it. There's two ways to do it, and some of you may not even know there is a flashlight. This is an iPhone 11. It's basically the same as the camera flash, and you can set the device just to turn it on and keep it on as long as you need. I use it all the time. Two ways to do it. If your iPhone is on, the best way to do it is to drag from the upper right corner of the screen, and you come to this kind of option of special shortcuts. And one of them, at least on my phone, is the flashlight. It's right here. So you touch that and it's on. I'll just turn it around so you can see that. So the flashlight's on. I'm going to turn that off now just by pressing that button. There's another way to do it as well. So let's say that your screen is not on and you just kind of pick it up and you want to quickly use a flashlight. No problem. Just press the power button. You come to your home screen and the flashlight is this icon right here. So just tap it. Is it on? I think it is. Nope, it's not. Do that again. Yep. You get a little bit of feedback and the flashlight is on. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow us on YouTube. This is Ian signing off. Thank you so much for watching.